In this video, we are going to discuss nouns and kinds of nouns. First of all, we will see the definition of noun. A noun is the name of a person, a place, a thing, a feeling, or an idea. Kinds of nouns. Nouns can be classified into 5 kinds. First, proper nouns. Second, common nouns. Third, collective noun. Fourth, material noun. Fifth and the last one is the abstract nouns. Here, first of all, we will see the definition and some examples of proper nouns. A proper noun is a word that refers to a particular member of a class of persons, places, or things such as George, Meena, Delhi, Nepal, and so on are called proper nouns. A proper nouns always begin with a capital letter. It means whenever we will write proper noun, that time we will use first letter in capital. And here we will see the second point, that is a common noun. A common noun is a word that refers to any member of a class of persons, places, or things or objects that belongs to a common class, such as a man, woman, goat, horse, house, school, iron, and so on are called common nouns. In a simple way, we can say if we are talking about any member of a class of persons, that we are talking about a common noun. Point third, that is collective noun. A noun that is standing for a collection or group of persons or things considered as a group, such as people, team, nation, herd, swarm, and so on are called collective nouns. Suppose if we are talking about a group of people, team, nation, herd, it means we are talking about a collective nouns. Here we will discuss about the point 4, that is material noun. A name given to a material or substance of which things are made is called material noun, such as sugar, water, salt, oil, copper, gold, silver, and so on are known as material nouns. In a simple way, we can understand which things we use in our daily life that comes in the material nouns. Here we can say that sugar, water and salt and oil also we use as a eatable things, and we wear the ornament like the gold and silver. So these things also we used in our daily life. Here we will discuss about the last point, that is abstract noun. Words that refers to qualities, conditions, ideas, actions, feelings and emotions such as beauty, poverty, knowledge, wisdom, work, anger, love, and so on are known as abstract nouns. In another way, we can understand an abstract noun is the name of something which we can neither see nor touch, what we can only think. Once again, I want to tell you, neither see nor touch, that comes in the abstract noun. Abstract nouns can be formed in 3 ways from common nouns. Here already we have discussed general names for people, animals, things or objects that belongs to a common class or common noun. For example, man, manhood, child, childhood. Here that in man, here that the back side there is a suffixes add. Just you wait, I will tell you what is a prefix and suffix. We will see the second example from adjectives. Here a word that tells you more about a noun, that is called adjective. And here we will see the example dark, then we will add the suffix, then it will come darkness. Poor, we will add the suffix, then it will come poverty. Then here verb, a word or group of words that is used to indicate that something happen or exist. For example, bring, happen, we, do. Example we will see. Free, we will add the suffix, then it will come freedom. Life, then here it will come life. Here we will discuss about a prefix. A prefix is a group of letters placed before the root of a word. Here some example also: cover, uncover, lock, unlock. And here we will see what is a suffix. Suffix is a group of letters placed after the root of a word. Example: man, manhood, free, freedom. Here in your book some example is given related to suffix, so please learn these example of suffix. Write and learn the noun definition, kinds of noun and types of abstract noun. Okay, bye, then see you in the next video.